Welcome to Quick Tips. I'm Max, and today I'm going to show you a neat trick that makes it easier to reconnect your QuickConnect fittings. Check it out. Right now, this QuickJack is lifted and locked in place. If you ever want to disconnect the fittings though, and free up some workspace, there's really only one thing you need to do. Depressurize the hoses. This will make it easier to reconnect the fittings when you're ready to lower the lift. All you do is hold the down button here for about 5 Mississippis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mississippi. So now I can disconnect the hoses, like so. And as you can see, it's really easy to pop them right back in place. If I skip that 5 count, there would be a lot of pressure in the hoses, making them sometimes difficult to reconnect. And remember, kids, always depressurize before you disconnect. Last point, help me out and press like on this video right before you go, and I'll see you next week for another great quick tip.